What's up, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today we have Brittany's 2024 Kia K5 fresh off the lot, looking oh so sexy in that gray. She's super duper proud of this car and proud to be new to the custom car scene, and their first favorite modification of this bad boy are the Kia K5 boards from Next Level Neo in conjunction with a BlueGhozt controller and a battery saver also from Next Level Neo. So you can see those boards ever so slightly, that is tucked behind those factory OEM diffusers. They are really good fitting boards, much better than the last time when I had to custom make my own, which significantly cuts down on labor, which makes me a happy 13. And this is what it looks like when they're on. They are UCS LEDs, so they are wicked bright, and so that is going to be daytime visible, much like the OEM DLR boards are. And they, of course, will do all sorts of different modes like you've seen before on so many other videos, except the only difference is now this is a K5. But in theory, this technically actually has the same features that the other build had. And something signature just to BlueGhozt is, of course, the left and right differential control, so we can do modes like Cylon, which is gonna go back and forth and looks really snazzy. This is the mode that she likes to run when she wants people to get the F out of her way. Also not recommended for use on public roads. And this is a nice fancy little one called Lava Lamp. And I can keep showing you modes all night long, but she wants to go home because she came all the way from Jacksonville, which is super appreciated for her to make that drive. So what I'm gonna do is show you the startup and shutdown animations that this car does. Startup! Ooh, it looks so cool. That was the scan sweep mode, and it ended on a DRL color of a purple, and the OEM headlights also come on anytime the vehicle is on. Shutting down! Woo! Yeah! But wait, there's more! And last but not least, you know how much I love turn signals, so this is our turn signal, very similar to the last one, and again, it is completely customizable by the end user, but we decided to kind of stick with the standard amber color, which is a good, safe bet. Police tend to like stuff like this, and we love the police. Okay, that's the end of the show and tell. Pricing and product information will be located in the video description. This is a local-only service that I provide, so if you are in the Florida or surrounding areas and I have a K5 and you are interested in having a custom headlight built for yourself, feel free to reach out to me via the website. There is a form on my website, and the link to that website will be in the video description. Submit a build request and you can be considered for a future build queue. Thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I will talk to you later. See ya.